Hey guys, this is Jam of Jam19.ph and welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna talk about the latest smartphone from Realme, the Realme 7i. Yes, there are now 3 Realme smartphones under the Realme 7 series, and I believe this will be the most affordable one. As of this recording, we do not know yet the price of this smartphone. But the Realme 7i does pose a lot of interesting things, a lot of interesting features, and today we're gonna break down some of the things that I really like, that I personally like on the Realme 7i. So, unang rason kung bakit ko gusto ang Realme 7i is the mirror design at the back of the smartphone. What I love about the Realme 7 series smartphones is that the design of these smartphones are really good. And the Realme 7i, as you can see in here, we got here a stylish mirror design at the back. It's glossy, yes, but it does pose and very interesting and a very beautiful design in my opinion. We got here a slice at the top. We got here the fingerprint sensor. We got here the camera module, the slight protruding na camera. But the thing in here is that ang ganda ng mirror design at the back of the smartphone, and the color, it's fusion green. It's beautiful. So there's a reflection na makikita dito, and the camera doesn't do the justice. It actually looks better when you're looking at it personally. The green color is just beautiful. I believe this is one of the best design na smartphones na meron si Realme. So for our second reason is actually humarap lang kayo. The back, it's beautiful. On the front, we got here the 90 Hz display. It's a 1600 by 720 HD plus display, fine, but it actually does look beautiful. Actually, makikita nyo dito na maganda yung kulay na nakukuha natin sa display ng smartphone na to. I'm actually surprised that we're getting a good colors in here. The viewing angles are just fine, but again, it's just an HD plus. Yes, it's HD plus. Some of you might think, okay, mababa yung resolution niya, but in reality, maganda siya tignan, maganda yung kulay niya, and I actually like what we're getting in here dito sa Realme 7i. And again, we got here a 90 Hz display refresh rate, which means that navigation of the smartphone, browsing on the smartphone, yung every swipe left and right nyo dito, mararamdaman nyo, oh my god, it's smooth, it's awesome, and once you go 90 Hz, it's hard to go back sa 60 Hz na display. And of course, we're talking about the camera a while ago. We got here a 64 megapixel quad camera setup. Yes, even the i sa Realme 7 series got a 64 megapixel camera. So, we also got here an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 2 megapixel BMW sensor, and also a 2 megapixel macro camera. That is a basic na makikita nyo sa mga upper mid-range smartphones, and yet we got here dito sa Realme 7i. I'm actually curious on how this one performs, pero I also took some shots earlier. I'm gonna show it to you. It's really awesome, and makikita nyo sa mga photos kung paano ka-okay yung mga shots na nakuha ko dito sa Realme 7i. So kung nakita yung mga shot, the colors are really great. It doesn't even use AI in some of my shots. And nakita niyo yung bokeh na talaga merong bokeh dito na dumarating. We didn't use AI, we didn't use portrait mode. All of them are on auto mode. And despite that, maganda yung makuha natin dito na shots dito sa Realme 7i. It's quite interesting na may ganito tayo mga shots sa Realme 7i. The fourth one is that we got here a large 5,000 mAh of battery. We do not have, yes, yung kanyang 65 watts na charger just like the Realme 7 Pro, but the 7i does have an 18 watts charging. I don't think naman may problema kayo din because most of us are working at home. A lot of us charges our phone every night. So pag nasa gabi na, pag magawa kayo matulog, doon kayo nag-charge yung smartphone nyo, right? So wala naman problema doon. And I think yung mahalaga doon is the 5,000 mAh of battery. This makes sure that your smartphone can last through the day. And of course, when you love gaming, hindi kaya mo problema dito. Kasi nga, we got your Snapdragon 662, which is known for power efficiency ng kanyang processor. And of course, maganda yung kanyang performance. Mamaya pag-usapan natin yon. And then, dito sa 5,000 mAh of battery, isa to sa mga features talaga na inaabang ko with every Realme smartphone. I mean, Realme smartphones are known to have a large battery capacity, so I'm pretty sure that this one would last a day or probably more than a day for some people. And especially sa mga working at home, hindi ganong mauubos yung battery sa smartphone na to. Hindi kayo masyadong mag-charge sa smartphone na to. since pinag-usapan natin yung processing power kanina sa battery, yes, we got here a Snapdragon 662 processor. It's really interesting kasi Snapdragons are known to have a power efficiency ng mga processors. They do not tend to heat up that much when you're gaming, when you're doing a lot of work. So yes, something na magugustuhan nyo with Snapdragon 662. And of course, ang maganda dito Snapdragon 662 is that we got here a really cool na processing power inside. It's more than the competition pagdating sa chipset. And again, Snapdragon pagdating doon, pangalan pa lang, you know that it's reliable. So yeah guys, that's it dito sa mga reasons natin kung bakit natin gustong-gusto ang Realme 7i. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And be sure to click that subscribe button along with that bell button to get notified of my latest videos here at my YouTube channel. So once again, I am Jam of Jam19.ph. Thank you for watching and see you guys again on my next video.